Here's how to make simple and easy and cheap kefir. I work with mental health and improving it. And you may have heard that the gut is the second brain. So if the gut isn't healthy, mental health can be affected. A balanced, healthy diet will address this, but fermented foods like kefir can really promote good gut health and mental health. Kefir is one of the best probiotics for your digestive health and immune system. Kefir grains will last indefinitely if looked after well. I bought my kefir grains on Amazon. The first step is to feed them. This part you discard the milk after 48 hours as it feeds the grains, but it's not really drinkable. But this bit's only done once, the first time. Put the grains into a bowl. Feed them with 250 milliliters of full fat milk. You can use semi-skimmed or skimmed milk, but the best results are with full fat milk. Pour the mixture into a mason jar. I use a kilner. Put the lid on and leave out for 48 hours at room temperature. Using a sieve, strain the grain and discard the milk. Remember, this bit's only done the first time you get the grains. Put the fed grains into a bowl and 250 milliliters of new fresh whole milk and leave for 24 to 48 hours to ferment. I go between two mason jars. One sealed and airtight in the fridge with the kefir you've just made, and the one sitting out for 24 hours fermenting. You can repeat this as I do every day. The taste is pleasantly tangy and you soon get used to it. It's so good for your gut. Enjoy.